Hi friends, so in this video I have made a Bluetooth headphone which also contains RGB LED. So if you watch this video till the end, I hope you can also make this for you, and the circuit diagram is in the end of the video. So let's get started. At first take a thick wire, then bend it according to your head and stick two wires at any side. And now take a heatsink tube like this. Pass that from the whole wire. Just like this. This one is a mini plastic jar. Mark it and cut it out. Make a pair of these. This is a headphone speaker. You can easily find it in a local market or online, but I have salvaged it from an old and broken headphone. Attach the speaker with the cap using hot glue. Now follow the diagram. This is a 200 mAh mini lithium battery. These are two pieces of plastic. I am using this as an end cap. Now do something like this. Here I am using a RGB 5mm LED. Just connect the LED's two pins with the speaker's pin. I don't have a thick sponge, so I am making this with some thin sponge. Wow, it's charging. Please use headphone for better sound quality. so the headphone is working properly. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting projects like this. So that's all for today. Goodbye.